Hey guys, welcome to Riggs Garage. Here is a 2006 Honda Odyssey minivan. I just changed the oil on. I'm going to show you how to reset that change oil light so it doesn't blink in your face. First of all, I'm going to turn on the key without starting the engine. So this is the ignition on position. You want to navigate using this button here to the change oil setting. So you're going to hold this until the whole thing starts blinking. Now the whole thing is blinking. See that? All right. And you're going to hold it again for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, oil life is now back to 100%. Your wrench is gone. Now I need to go scan for that check engine light, but that is a different thing. Thanks for watching Riggs Garage. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.